Friends, welcome back to Anira Trendz. Today here I am with bridal saree Kuchu tutorial, and if suppose you are watching for the first time, you can just click on the red color subscribe button and click on that bell icon for future notifications. Let's get started. Here I am measuring the space between two Kuchu. So here I am adding 5 strands of silk thread. So add this and make a knot. Hold it and make a knot and tighten it using a needle so that it will guide you to the end. This is for the beginners, I am telling. So if suppose you keep your needle at its loop, it will guide you to the end to make knots wherever you need. So here I am adding beads, that is pearl, then one gold color bead, again pearl and a gold color bead. So as similar to this, make it for the other side also. Fine. Now to it I am adding this tube bead. Insert one end through the tube bead. Now towards opposite end add the another end of your thread this way and tighten it and make a knot at its end. Make sure that your beads are in position. Again now I am going to use a needle to guide the thread to make a knot. So இந்த மாதிரி இங்க needle வச்சு guide பண்ணும்போது உங்களோட knot கரெக்டான இடத்துல position ஆகும். Okay, so here I am adding my first tassel. So this is of count like 80. So when I fold like this, it will become 160. Okay, adjust it and tighten it. Make sure that your green color it's always be at its place, that is the leftmost side of the tassel, that is over that tube bead. Adjust it and make a knot because we need to add another one beige color tassel, again one green color, that's the reason. Okay, so knot it now. So here I have finished with my first green tassel Kuchu. So next I am going to add my beige color, that is kind of half white or sandal. Here I am adding that. So add your, the same way you can just knot it. Either you can use as such thread or else you can also use a needle and thread. Here I am using a needle and a thread. here I am making knots. You can also knot it together with the adjacent green color tassel also. So here I am adjusting and making home for my next green color. Okay. So once after this I am going to add the next green. You can also use 3 color in this one. So here I am leaving little gap. Now I am going to add another green color to it. So use the same needle thread to knot this also. Now after making 1 or 2 knots for the green color, you can just all together make a knot for all the 3 colors, I mean the 3 tassels, to secure it. So this way knot it. Silk thread may look little messy at this point, but after trimming it will be very neat and nice. Trim the silk thread and make it level. So here it's almost over. Next is to add some charms to it. Here I am adding pearl chain, since I have used in the combination of pearl and gold. So here I am using pearl chain. You can also use stone chain also. So to it now I am adding ball chain. That gives really nice and grand look. So here add that ball chain. So here it's done, and if you like this idea you can just share it with your friends, and if suppose you are watching for the first time you can just click on that red color subscribe button and click on that bell icon for future notifications. Okay, so இது இப்போ complete ஆயிடுச்சு. இது கொஞ்ச நேரம் dry ஆகட்டும். So beautiful, grand, designer, bridal kuchu is ready. So make your own kuchu, bridal kuchu at home and enjoy. And till then, take care friends. Bye bye.